Hello, good morning, traders. Today is the 16th of March 2023. What a blessing beginning of the day, guys. Amazing trades. Euro yen, beautiful trade, guys. So let me explain to you in 4 hour. Once the price hit to the weekly support level, that's the red line, weekly support. After this, price nicely respected. If you look at this candle, as explained to my trader, if you look at this is the high of this candle. As explained, if the candle is gonna close below this level, sign of continuation. Otherwise, possibility of counter long trade here. That's what I explained to my trader. We have after that, as explained, my trader just keep taking a pullbacks. The first target around this level, which you just hit now, and the final target around this level if the price gonna continue. Let me explain to you how I analyze the entries. That's the key important thing in intraday. So if you look at this is the pretty straightforward. You can see here that was the analysis. Once we analyze the market and as explained my trader, if the price gonna respect this previous high, look for this breakout, and after this breakout, just keep taking a pullback as mentioned in 4 hour. So you can see here based on this analysis, and if you look at the live market right now, you can see here the price nicely respect broken this one, and after this breakout, how beautiful price nicely retest and breakout pullback long. We have this is impulsive, we have this is correction, which we explained through live audio commentary, and is explained to my trade take another long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here, or at least move your stop loss at the break even. I hope you enjoy this analysis. You can enjoy more when you see it, all these analysis in real time. So most welcome. Join our fast growing trading community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.